Hola chicos. This is your Spanish assignment for the week. You will be reviewing your Spanish farm animal names and the song that we have been singing for the past 2 weeks or so. So I will be going over the phrases that you hear, the sentences that you hear in the song. So make sure you pay close attention and repeat after me. La Granja, which means the farm. Let's hear you say La Granja. Awesome. Los animales de la granja. Your turn. Awesome. Los animales de la granja, which is also the farm animals. En la granja hay un perro. There is a dog. Hay un gato. There is a cat. Now let's go back and repeat. Hay un perro. Your turn. Awesome. Which means there is a dog. Let's repeat the next one. Hay un gato. Awesome. Which means there is a cat. Very good. Hay un gato. En la granja hay cerdos. There are pigs. Now repeat after me. Hay cerdos. Good. Let's go to the next one. Vamos al próximo. Hay patos. There are ducks. Now it's your turn. Hay patos. Good. En la granja, in the farm, hay vacas. There are cows. Now that's your turn. Hay vacas. Good. Hay vacas. There are cows. En la granja hay ovejas. There are sheep. Hay ovejas. Now it's your turn to repeat. Hay ovejas. Awesome. Hay gallos. Hay gallos. There are roosters. En la granja hay gallos. The next one. Hay caballos. There are horses. Now repeat after me. Hay caballos. Let's hear you. Very good. Now these are some phrases that we hear in our song, or some sentences that we hear in our song. La vaca da leche. La vaca da leche, which means the cow gives milk. Now it's your turn. La vaca da leche. And then you know that leche is milk. La oveja da lana. La oveja da lana. The sheep gives wool. Now you're going to repeat after me. La oveja da lana. Let me hear you say it. Awesome. Very good. La oveja da lana. La gallina pone huevos. La gallina pone huevos. The chicken lays eggs. Gallina is chicken. Huevos are eggs. Now let me hear you repeat. La gallina pone huevos. Awesome. ¿Cuál es tu animal de la granja favorito? Which is your favorite farm animal? You're going to complete the farm animal book in your assignment, in your posted assignment. And let's see, I want you to also complete the farm animal, your favorite farm animal worksheet, so that I can know which one is your favorite farm animal, and you can draw a picture of it as well. Make sure you label it and it's nice and detailed. I will see you in the next class. Nos vemos después. I will see you later. Nos vemos después. Bye-bye.